Question number 2, 2024 November paper, AS level paper. A small car travels in a town. What is the reasonable estimate of the kinetic energy of the car? Okay, so whenever there is a question on estimate, so there are many assumptions that we need to make. What could be the mass of the car? Mass of the car could be around 1000 kgs, for example. Okay, and then what could be the velocity of the car? Let us say velocity of the car is around 40 km per hour in our Indian roads. So what we do is, for time's sake, what we do is, we let us consider this as to be around 36 km per hour. What is the reason? The reason is, why did I choose 36 is because when I say 36 km per hour, I can convert easily into meter per second. How? So I can now just do it by 36 multiplied by 5 by 18. When I multiply this by 5 by 18, I get meter per second, which will be 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 into 5 will be 10 meter per second. So this will be the speed of the car in meters per second. Now once we have got this, what is it asking? Kinetic energy. Let us find out kinetic energy, which should be half mv square, which should now be equal to half multiplied by 1000 multiplied by v square. What is v square? 10 square, which is 100. So 2 ones are 2 50s are here 30 10 4 zeros 5 1 2 3 4 joules over here, which should be around 50,000 joules, or this should be 5 into 10 to the power of 4 joules. So answer goes to this one. So this is